Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Daniel Overbeck, also known as The Newborn on Instagram. I'm a travel and lifestyle photographer based in Copenhagen, Denmark. In this video I will teach you how to make a landscape look more epic in Photoshop. More specifically, I will teach you how to replace a sky and make the light look more epic. This is the photo I will edit and this is how it will look afterwards. And what I love so much about this Photoshop app is that you can do almost anything. I like to say that almost anything is possible in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get this video started and make this landscape look more epic.
The first thing we do is open the unedited photo in Photoshop. We drag the sky replacement photo into the project and make a copy of it so that we have two of those photos. We then use a soft brush to soften the edges in the sky replacement photo, and we flip the second sky replacement photo horizontally so that it's mirrored in the first one. We don't mark both sky replacement photos and convert them into a smart object so that it's all one picture. We then transform the sky replacement photo so it matches the size of the photo we are gonna edit now. Then we go back to the original photo which we are going to edit, and we mask out the sky and make a copy of the landscape without the sky. We make the background layer invisible and move down the sky replacement layer so that the sunset appears together with the landscape. The last thing I want to do is I want to mask out the water in the landscape and make that invisible as well so that the sunset appears in the water like a reflection. And again I use a soft round brush to soften the edges in the water and the landscape so the photos blend together more naturally.
Now you have learned how to replace a sky and make the light look more epic in Photoshop. Remember, you can download the unedited photo down below and follow the steps in my video so that you can do the same thing. You can also go to adobe.com and find more tutorials like this one. And last but not least, remember to follow me on Instagram and I will see you in another video.